The blade guard covers the saw blade to help protect you from a blade accident. The blade guard assembly consists of the plastic blade guard and plate, with the spring and mounting plate already assembled to it. Most problems with the blade guard are the result of accidental damage, such as a board hitting the guard, something falling on it during transport, or damage from a workpiece kickback. Replacing the blade guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. To remove the guard assembly, we'll need to remove the guard link from the guard, as well as the two connection points on the mounting plate. First, I'll disconnect the guard link. And then the two screws for the mounting plate. And now the front screw. Now I can install the new guard. I'll place it over the blade, get it aligned with the upper guard, and I'll first attach this rear screw. Then I lift the guard back and secure the front screw. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the guard screw. You'll notice that this screw is not tapped, and that's normal. This is a self-tapping screw. And now you know how to replace the blade guard on your DeWALT Miter Saw.